the recently removed from their tombs and reanimated Science Police!
They sounded pretty fucking good to me.
They're evil fucking awesome.